This is it.
Hey, boys. I love the Cocio car. I was hoping that maybe at the end of our shoot I get to run away or drive away with it.
Cut. That was good. Good cut. Very good.
It's really sexy. It's really fun, and I feel great in it because it's very fitted. You feel very comfortable in it. One would feel comfortable. I think that you guys, I think Cocio should make dresses like this. I certainly know friends that would want to wear it. Music is everything to me, not only when I'm working, but in my personal life. I constantly go see live bands, and for a while I helped manage a band. And especially when you're working like this, where you've got to be, you know, free and creative, and you've got to let loose a little bit, music is essential. My first sip of Cocio milk was just delicious. It's best to drink Cocio in the morning, for me.
Yeah, nothing beats a Cocio.
And we cut. Very good. Very good. Thank you very much. Woo! Yeah.
Hi, Visego Salesforce. Go for it. It's all pure pleasure. Chocolate milk. Chocolate milk. Chocolate
Not
milk.
bad.